Good morning, senior KG students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Open your literacy skills textbook, that is page number 26. Today we are going to trace capital A and small a. Then you will write here capital A and small a. Okay? See here. A for astronaut, A for abacus, A for alien, A sounds A sounds A. Okay, we are going to trace capital A. See here, the starting stroke of letter A starts from up, slanting line, A. You have to trace these dotted lines, slanting line, this is slanting line, one more slanting line here, then sleeping line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Capital A, capital A. Okay. Now small a. The starting stroke of small a starts from here. A small curve like this, a small curve, then sleeping line, small a, circle. Okay, see here, capital A, small a. We have traced capital A, small a. Now we are going to write capital A. Okay, the starting stroke of capital A starts from up, that is from red line, slanting line, one more slanting line, and sleeping line in the middle, that is in blue line. Okay, slanting line, one more slanting line, then sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, one more slanting line, then sleeping line. A, slanting line, one more slanting line, then sleeping line. A. Now see here, small a, small a. How we have to write small a? A small curve in the blue line like this, then a curve, a small curve like this, and then other curve, small a, curve, then other curve, small a curve like this, and then other curve, small a. A sounds A, A sounds A, A sounds A. Okay, see here, look and write. Write the first letter of each object. Say the word. See here, what is this? What is this insect? This is ant. Ant. What we have to write here? Capital A. A for ant. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Then sleeping line. A. See here, slanting line, one more slanting line, then sleeping line. What is this? Axe. A-X-E, axe. A-X-E, axe. Okay. What is this here down? Apple. What we have to write here? Here also capital A. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Then sleeping line. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. What is this? Aeroplane. What we have to write here? Capital A. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Then sleeping line. A. What is this? Arrow. Here also capital A. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Sleeping line. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. What is this? Alligator. Alligator is nothing but baby crocodile. Okay. What we have to write here? A. Capital A. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Then sleeping line. Okay. Let's revise the words here. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. A-X-E, axe. A-X-E, axe. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. Alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. Okay, we have completed this. Take your literacy skills textbook and complete this neatly in page number 26 and page number 27 and write it neatly. So this was the class of literacy skills. Hope you understood. Bye and have a nice day.